So I had a company gift me this foldable grill table. Now this table is like super light. It weighs like nearly nothing at all. And it folds up to the smallest size, making it super convenient to just put it in the camper and have it take up no space and no weight at all. So other than those awesome features, this is made of a metal aluminum. It does have a shelf down here that is a cloth shelf, and on the shelf itself it has these two areas here in which you can put your condiments in there, so they definitely leave you room for that. Now, this does have 3 different sizes to it, and each size increment drops down by that much. So all you would have to do is take off one set of legs, and then it would drop down, leaving you that high. Drop it down again and you're this tall. So all in all, if you're looking for a table that'll shrink down to pretty much nothing and weigh pretty much nothing, then you may want to consider this one, especially for camping. I know it's going to be a big part of our RV from now on.